sounded awful. Hey guys, it's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe. Today, we are going to be showing you guys how to make this really cute New Year's hat. It is almost a new year, and I just cannot believe it. The year has flown by, and I am really excited to see what 2020 is going to bring. I just know it's going to be a really great year. 2019 was a pretty good year for me too, so I'm just excited. I think good things are coming, and I'm just going to be really positive about everything. So I hope you guys had a great 2019 year, and I hope your 2020 year is even better. So this hat that I'm wearing, everything is from Dollar Tree. So the hat is from Dollar Tree, the letters are from Dollar Tree, the feather boa, the little stars. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this hat for $4. That's all it costs to make this hat, because you only need 4 things. Or you can add some more stuff to it. Just be creative with it. They have these hats at Dollar Tree, and they had so many different colors. It was really hard for me to choose, but I really do like the gold, and I think it turned out pretty cute. I do really like it. I'm only going to be able to wear it for this year, but that's fine with me because, you know, it didn't cost that much. But they had so many different colors, and the colors they had were gold, like this one, and they had silver, red, pink, blue, and I think they had a green one, but I'm not sure. So they had some that were like this, and then I think they had some like different types of hats, so you can look and see what different kinds they have depending on your Dollar Tree. But if you don't have a Dollar Tree, you can shop online. I'm pretty sure that you can buy stuff on there. I don't know if they sell stuff like individually, but you can go look. But I do really like this, and I think it's going to be really fun to wear for the new year. So I'm really excited to show you guys how I made this hat. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are all the materials that I got from Dollar Tree. So I got this really awesome gold sparkly hat. Then I got these little pieces of confetti. Then the number stickers. And then the feather boa. And then the glue I got is actually from Joann, but you can use the craft glue that they do have at Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is put the glue around the brim of the hat, and I'm going to put it around a couple times because the feather boa is kind of thick. So I will just put enough glue so that way it will stay. Now I am just placing the feather boa around the hat, and I'm just pressing down firmly so that way it will stay. And then as I am putting it on, I'm going to cut the excess boa part that I don't need. Now I'm going to take the number stickers, and I'm actually going to put glue on the back of them so that way they will stay. And I'm just going to place them on the hat. Isn't Jack just the cutest little helper? Now here comes the fun but very messy part. So make sure you have a flat surface to put these little confetti things on because they will get everywhere. So now what I'm doing is I am just getting the little stars out of the confetti pack. I'm putting glue on the back of them, and then I'm just going to put them on the numbers on the hat. So you can put them wherever you want, but I just thought it would look cute on the numbers. and you're all done with your hat. Isn't this so festive for the new year? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I just want to thank you guys that we hit 400 subscribers this year. 2019 has been really awesome, and I appreciate you guys so much, and I just wanted to thank each and every one of you, and you know who you are. So thank you so much for watching my videos this year. It's been a great year. So let's just go ahead and jump into 2020. It's going to be such a great year. So I'm really excited, and I've got a lot of videos coming up, so I am really excited to show you guys what's coming in 2020. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next year.